sun is out. Like, I can't believe it. Sun is out. So as you guys know, if the sun is out, I gotta be out. And actually, by the way, tomorrow's the day. Tomorrow is the day. But today, the sun is out. Guys know that it is amazing to have the sun out. I still can't believe it. You guys who have been around here for a while, you already know when the sun's out, I gotta be out. And not necessarily to have a destination, like right now, I'm just kind of riding just to be out. And I find it's kind of like a good thought of the day. It's kind of like the whole goal with a lot of things. The whole goal, almost fell. The whole goal with a lot of things is to take action. And it kind of reminds me that the destination is really important, but without the action, the destination is just the destination. And for me, when the sun's out, I don't need a destination. I just need to take action and be out in the sun. Yeah, that's kind of it. And that would be the thought of the day, courtesy of the sun. I was riding away from the sun with the sun at my back and the wind in my face, and I'm heading into the sun, but somehow the wind is still blowing in my face. I'm not understanding that. It's all good though. Okay, and finally getting home. Sun is still out, which is amazing. Sometimes I realize it's just having like the presence of the sun out. But one conclusion that I've came to this a while ago, but like, some people are only happy when they are unhappy. Like, I think if we can like understand the concept, that'll help a lot. Like literally, I was riding back home and there were these 3 people standing on the corner smoking, and I rode by them. I was just like, "Can you guys believe it?" Oh, I said it in French, of course, but I was like, "Can you guys believe it? The sun is out." And they just looked at me like, and one of the people would just smile a little bit, but I was just like, what more can people want? Everyone complains about here how cold it is and everything, and finally the sun is out. And I think if you understand, some people are only happy when they're unhappy. Save you a lot of stress and everything. But since I just came home, I'm making a nice thing of coffee, and I wasn't sure what I was gonna do. Thought I'd do this little part right here, because if I don't, what usually ends up happening is I'm chilling and working before training. Then I go to training and I totally forget that I haven't filmed today. So yeah, glad I got this in. But yeah, I guess this whole part was to say some people are only happy when they're unhappy. Okay. Like, do you guys see that sky? I must admit the sun isn't out that much here, but when it is, it is super beautiful. And then the good news is the sun's starting to set later, which means that I'm... And just like that, training is finished. And if I could say one little tip, one little basketball pro tip for you guys, not even a pro tip, but an athlete tip is, you know, whenever you show up somewhere and you're feeling like, oh, like so many times I show up to training and I'm just not in the mood for it, you know, like today, just wasn't really feeling it. One thing I do to counteract that is just fake it. You know, so fake it, you'll psych your mind out. I talk about this a lot in the podcast. You can fool your mind so easily. It's almost like that theory, it's easier to act your way to a feeling than feel your way to an action. And I think that would be like, not a bad thought of the day. Act your way to a feeling, don't try to feel your way to an action when you need to get something done really fast. But now time to... And it's pretty interesting. A lot of people are always asking me what kind of diet I'm on, what kind of foods do I eat. So and honestly, it's kind of changed. It's changing a little bit now. It used to kind of be anything, and then I've gotten older and wanting to perform better as you get older, because you can't just, where am I going? Look for some lemons. As you get older, you can't just try to have anything. So one thing I've been trying to have less of course, if I tell you guys, is meat. But living here in this city, there's not a lot of restaurants, there's not a lot of places to eat like normal, and I'm not used to cooking, so it's been a struggle. But I'm always trying to stay away from meat. I just brought a blender to make some smoothies. So right now, this week is out of smoothies, fish, and I'm getting some lemons now, because I'm gonna try having some lemon water in the morning. It's just something new. Yeah, I'm trying to do this whole, trying to get better at showing a day in the life. These are kind of the behind the scenes. These kind of vlogs seem boring to me, but I feel like I should at least let you guys know, for you guys trying to improve yourselves, as I am trying to improve myself. I feel like sharing the knowledge a little bit with you guys. Okay, so this is like kind of all the food I got to make smoothies in my blender that's over there. And one more thing about what I'm eating, because so many people ask me about it. It's so interesting, I think. But one thing you guys need to do is just try a lot of new things. That's the best way to do it. And it's only by trying different things that you'll realize what works best for you and how you feel best. And I think that's something that I would definitely recommend to you guys. Kind of a boring day with training and all that kind of stuff, chilling, relaxing. But you guys remember at the beginning of the vlog, I said like, tomorrow is the big day, or I said tomorrow's the day, or wait, tomorrow's the day. Tomorrow is the day. But yeah. So should I tell you guys, or just show you? Yeah, I guess I'll tell you. So now end the vlog by saying this. Tomorrow's vlog is gonna be in French. Yes, I know, some people have been asking me to do it for like 2 years. I've been telling people I was gonna do one, and I still haven't even done one. So tomorrow's the day, it's happening tomorrow. Tomorrow's vlog will be in French. Yeah, I don't know why I feel nervous doing that. I don't know, but yeah, I speak French like 99% of the time. But yeah, tomorrow's vlog will be in French, and apologize for the super messy kitchen, but I'm going to bed, gonna finish watching this Netflix documentary on the Vietnam War. Very interesting if you guys are looking for something to watch. And on that note, yeah, tomorrow's vlog is gonna be in French. So I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Hope you guys are all staying warm. And thank you guys for your comments, your support, emails, everything. Oh, and postcards, I'm going to be filling those out and sending those out to you guys, winners. If you guys haven't sent me an email or an Instagram message, send it to me. And if I haven't wrote you back by now, then I haven't got the message, or it's too far backed up, send me one more message. And I think that's kind of it for today. So on that note, voice is gone. I've been like recording the podcast. But anyways, want to wish you guys a beautiful day. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you guys are in the world. Hope you guys are staying warm, and I'll talk to you guys all later. And everyone always remember to work hard, be brave, and don't forget to smile. Ciao.